Hey you guys, I'll be using the 25A Morph Eye palette, using that shade right there to fill in her eyebrows. After filling her eyebrows, I'll be using a concealer brush and a lighter concealer to shape her eyebrow or sculpt it. I normally use 1.5 Match Master or any lighter concealer or foundation. I always start my makeup by doing the eyebrows first. It's a must for me. If I could get the perfect shape with the eyebrows, then I can understand where the face is going or the look is going. Always remember to shade, fix, and sculpt at the same time to get your perfect shape. I love that razor sharp look on eyebrows. It's a must for me. After finding my perfect desired shape with the eyebrows, I'm going to be using Black Opal Heavenly Honey to hide the concealer, and also use Heavenly Honey as an eyeshadow base. I use Heavenly Honey on the top and bottom of the eyebrows to hide the concealer. After hiding the concealer, I always go back through it, make sure everything is nice and neat with the eyebrows. I go back on top of the base with a primer. I use Clown White as my eyeshadow primer because it holds eyeshadow very well and lasts longer. Now I'll be using a brownish Breakish color in the crease, and then the darkish black color on the tips. Then after that, I'll be using a palette color from Makeup Forever, a pink color for her lids. Then I'm going to use Duo Glue to tap glitter on top of it. I know it seemed messy at the beginning, but you can always clean up or work after everything is done. Most people are used to seeing people and makeup artists doing cut crease glitter, but my client doesn't want no cut crease glitter. She just wants a regular glitter lid. I spend my time applying, removing, and cleaning up at the same time when it comes to doing eyeshadow. After the eyeshadow, I like to use my favorite liquid liner. It's called Muse. It's like $1.99 at any drugstore. It's one of the best eyeliner I have ever had, and it lasts long. After the Muse liner, I'll be using La Charmer Wispy Lashes. I'll be doubling her lashes with La Charmer Wispy Lash. I love to use a tweezer to put on my eyelashes and make sure it's clamped down tight, so there will be no lifting on no lash. After wiping off all fallout from the eyeshadow, I'll be using Urban Decay De-Slick Face Primer. For her foundation, I'm using NC45 on the outer rim of her face and NC35 in the inner face. Both products are from MAC Cosmetic, and I also include Honey Love by Black Opal into the foundation to give her a very nice base. Now for the concealer, I'll be using NW35 Pro Longwear Concealer by MAC Cosmetic as her highlight. Now for her contour, I'll be using Studio Fix Fluid NW48 to contour her. This brush that I'm using is almost similar to the Kabuki brush. All I'm doing is buffering the shade into his skin to give it a perfect blend. Most people aren't expert when it comes to contouring the nose. Here's a trick that may help you. Run the concealer straight up the nose, a lot of concealer to give it that perfect slim look, then go back over it with a darker shade to give it a more defined look. Now it's time to set the face. I'll be using the Nye Setting Powder, translucent setting powder. Then I'm going to be using SkinFinisher by MAC Cosmetic and the color medium, then medium dark. Then I'll be using Makeup Forever 173 on the outer rim of the face. Now I'll be using a white pencil eyeliner by MAC Cosmetics. Now I'm using Chestnut Pencil by MAC Cosmetics to fill in her lips. I'm all over the place when it comes to doing makeup. Then I'm going to go back to the eye and use a brown color to smudge the bottom of her eyes. Then I normally use a Q-tip to clean up any fallout. I always use a cardboard because I hate the fallout of the powder. It makes it so much easier. You work and clean as you go. Then I'm going to take a mascara to apply on the eyelash to remove any foundation or powder on the top and bottom. And I'm just pulling out her bottom lash. Now I'm using a mixture of bronzer by MAC Cosmetic, Give Me Glow and Gold Deposit. Then after that I'm using a blush from Makeup Forever eyeshadow palette. It's called Blush Pink. Then I'm using MAC Cosmetics Snob Lipstick with Revlon Lip Gloss, where you can purchase Revlon Lip Gloss at Walgreens. Those are the best combination I ever saw. It's the same as Ample Pink by MAC Cosmetics. And make sure you blend that lip liner into the lipstick. Now it's all about touch and clean as you go. Touch and clean, touch and clean. Clean up anything you see. Make sure everything is put in place, everything is blended. Touch and clean as you go. Now fix fluster down with Urban Decay setting spray.